Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion Unjaded Jade. To begin, you can easily duplicate one of her free Notion templates, often found linked in her content. This provides a solid foundation for your personal workspace. The core idea is to establish a Life Hub, a central page that acts as a dashboard for all your activities and goals. Notion is an incredibly flexible planning tool, offering building blocks to customize your system for any aspect of your life. For academic success, Unjaded Jade's templates offer specific pages like a Uni Hub and class notes. You can create a new class note template for each session, linking readings and study questions. An assignment tracker allows you to visually monitor progress, moving tasks from not started to submitted. A key feature is using toggle lists for active recall, transforming study questions into interactive flashcards to boost your learning. Beyond academics, Unjaded Jade's Notion setup helps with daily planning and personal growth. You can create simple to-do lists, separating tasks into categories such as academic, admin, or part-time job. Dedicated pages for goals and reflections allow you to review past achievements and set future aspirations. Incorporate habit trackers to monitor consistent actions, like daily walks or reading, fostering positive routines over time. Notion's beauty lies in its customization. Personalize your pages with cover images, emojis, and even embedded widgets for weather or countdowns. When starting, it's best to begin with basic functions like simple to-do lists and notes. As you become more comfortable, gradually explore advanced features like linked databases and automation. Remember to regularly review and adapt your workspace to ensure it continues to serve your evolving organizational needs effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.